API Configuration Tutorial MoonBot x OKX. To view the API feature menu, press the 9-dot menu icon in the top left corner of the screen. Next, press the API icon. In the API menu, press the No API Found icon. Enter a name for the API according to your needs. Select the account you want to use for this API. Select the purpose of using the API trading. Fill in this section with the address found in the MoonBot app as shown below. Create a custom passphrase that will be used to access this API. Passphrase must meet the following requirements. Then press the Submit button. OKX will send a verification code, 6 digits, to your registered email address. As an added security measure, you will be asked to verify your identity using an SMS code. In the API menu, press the Show Info button. On this page, you need to copy several important codes from OKX into the API configuration in the MoonBot app. To access it, open the MoonBot app and click the API configuration button. Copy the API key into the MoonBot app. Enter it into the API key field. Copy the secret key into the MoonBot app. Then enter it into the secret key field. Enter the passphrase you created into the field. Once all fields are correctly filled in, press the Connect button. Congratulations, you have successfully connected the MoonBot x OKX API configuration.